The aggrieved presidential candidates of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) Abubakar Atiku and that of the Labour Party Peter Obi have disclosed that they will be challenging the Presidential Election Tribunal's judgment at the Supreme Court. They made the disclosure on Wednesday shortly after the tribunal dismissed their petitions. Counsels for both candidates said they have been directed by their clients to challenge the judgment. In a bid to ensure quick filing of their appeals at the Apex Court, Atiku's lawyer, Chief Chris Uche San, requested the tribunal to make a copy of the judgment available to him to enable his client to exercise his right of appeal. He said that the former vice president has directed that appeal against the decision be filed immediately. Uche told newsmen that Atiku got judgment at the tribunal but did not get justice, hence his decision to go on appeal. Similarly, Levi Uzoku San, the head counsel to Obi, confirmed that his client had directed that the judgment be challenged at the Supreme Court. He wondered why the tribunal, which ruled against live telecast of proceedings, suddenly allowed live coverage of the judgment. In response to Atiku's request, Chairman of the tribunal, Justice Haruna Simon Samani, assured that clean copies of the judgment would be released to them on Thursday to enable them proceed on their appeal to the Supreme Court. Moreover, the national chairman of the All Progressives Congress, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, has commended Wednesday's judgment of the Presidential Elections Petition Tribunal that validated the victory of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the 2023 election. In a statement issued in Abuja, Ganduje described the verdict as thorough, stressing that it addressed all the issues raised by the petitioners. According to the former Kano governor, the judgment was a true reflection of the mandate Nigerians delivered at the last presidential election. Consequently, the APC national chairman urged the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, and his counterpart in the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, to cooperate with the present administration in its effort to address the myriad of challenges facing the country. He noted that the resolve by both politicians to challenge Tinubu's victory at the tribunal spoke volumes of their faith in the nation's judicial system. I had no doubt whatsoever in my mind that the president would come out victorious, considering the massive support Nigerians gave him and our party, the APC, before and during the presidential election. May I also congratulate the Nigerian judiciary for adjudicating on the issues arising from the presidential election without fear and favor by doing the right thing with this judgment. A precedent has been set for electoral matters in the country. The judgment attests to the fact that the rule of law would always reign supreme and a hard-earned democracy would further continue to blossom beyond limits. For the opposition, I urge you to accept the verdict of the tribunal. There would always be another round of elections whereby you can test your popularity and acceptability from the electorate. Once more, I congratulate President Tinubu, our teeming supporters who stood by the party through thick and thin, he said.